We have discovered a problem in the forest in which many animals are becoming extinct because of illegal human activities like hunting and poaching. The problem is that there is no proper surveillance in the forest, in which both animal and human life are at risk.
For this, our solution is a self-sustainable drone. It makes sure that it captures the whole forest and no illegal activities like poaching and hunting are being done. And it transmits the information to the facility through the help of an FPV.
We are from the team Serendipity Lot, consisting of myself Priyambada,
Myself Poshika.
And myself, Lasyasri.
We are from grade 8 from Hindu Public School, Sanath, Nagar, Hyderabad. We are depicting an idea, brief description of our project because until the last minute our project was working. But let us continue with the detailed description. This is our solar powered drone, in which the solar panel gives charge to the battery connected inside, which helps it to cover the entire forest. The video footage that is being captured in the drone is transported to the team inside the wildlife facility, which helps them track in all the forest's illegal activity counter. And if any sort of illegal activity is being conducted, like poaching over here, the drone can help give an information to the team, whereas they can be prepared for whatever task is being prepared for them. And if given a chance, we would like to support the Forestry Department of India by building an actual working prototype. That's it for our idea. Thank you.